dings, dents, scratches and holes. Whether caused by debris strikes, minor collisions or even that time you opened your door too close to that fire hydrant. Any vehicle body can end up pitted with minor surface damage like this. No matter how carefully you drive, they can ruin your car's appearance, and they can lower the resale value. All in all, they are pain in the backside. Car body filler has been the go-to solution for at-home repairs of this type of damage for decades. As time has progressed, so too has body filler itself, and today you can find high-quality products for lower than ever prices. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best car body filler from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 3M Bondo 261 Lightweight Filler. We'll kick off our list with this product, a Bondo body filler. Though it's actually made by 3M, Bondo is a brand name, so technically it's a 3M body filler. Does it matter? Only that we want to give credit where credit is due, because we're starting with an early front runner for best car body filler on the market. Bondo and 3M have a well-earned rep for making great car filler products, and this example is from the premium end of the market. It is a lightweight filler, which makes it perfect for fixing up the little dings and dents that are the most common type of damage a vehicle will pick up during day-to-day driving. Number 2. 3M Bondo Professional Gold Filler. Another Bondo body filler next, though just like last time it is actually a 3M body filler. What we have here is a professional grade body filler, hence the gold tag. Sorry, it doesn't actually add real gold to your car body. What it does have though is advanced 3M resin technology that is almost worth its weight in gold, at least, if you are trying to repair dings and dents in your vehicle. This filler is, by the way, specifically designed for use on galvanized steel. That makes it especially well suited for use on vehicles made after 1998. It boasts an advanced resin technology that is designed to provide an easy application and a very smooth finish after sanding. It is dried and cured in around 20 minutes after application, and once dry it will provide a waterproof finish to protect against rust. It is non-shrinking, and the red color to the hardener gives the product a pink finish when mixed for easy visibility during application. Number 3. EvoCoat 156 Lightweight Body Filler. With a somewhat sizable price tag, this is one of the pricier options on the list today. That being said though, you do get a big old can of product here, with enough product to tackle a significant restoration job. Not only do you get a lot of product, you are also getting a lot of high quality product here. This quality is especially easy to see in the high-grade manufacturing process that EvoCoat has brought to the table here. The first big standout is the fact that this car filler has been vacuum processed. That has been done to try to reduce pinholing during drying. That in turn leads to a smoother finish first time round. Number 4. EvoCoat 112 Rage Gold Premium Car Body Filler. It has a very long name and a very high price tag, but this is also a truly premium product you are looking at here. It is boasting a range of outstanding features, many of which add to that feeling of a really high-end product here. But it also adds to the premium price tag too, so just what are you getting here? Well, one of the big standouts is the fact that the compound has been formulated to contain hatonite. This mystery ingredient X-style additive has been added to improve the sandability, yes that is a word, of the filler, once it has been applied and allowed to dry. The product has also been vacuum processed during the manufacturing process. As we discussed previously, this makes for a car filler product that goes on extra smooth and dries with minimal pinholing. It is also good to note that this product has been formulated for superior adhesion to galvanized steel and aluminum. That in turn makes it perfect for use on vehicle bodywork, especially modern vehicles. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.